Hello folks, Wes here, B&B Audio Concepts, and what are we doing today? Another Bentley. What have we fitted to this Bentley? Another Kenwood. Okay, this is an AT21. This has got Apple CarPlay, wireless, Android Auto, DAB and Bluetooth. In this particular one, there is a custom conversion on the dash. The old non-touchscreen multimedia has been removed, and the modern upgraded unit with new heater controls and so forth. We've done thousands of these, so not going to go through it, but the main unit now is here. This Bentley is an 05 GTC. You will not believe it, but it's only done 4,862 miles. System itself is here. Got Kenwood, come back out, and then you've got your normal unit. Anything like this interests you, give us a ring. Wes, B&B Audio Concepts. We are part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme. Thank you very much for watching.